Whether you're advanced or a beginner, the Artec Space Spider is perfect for all skill levels. Through the software, you can save and share your images online. This particular scanner is also perfect for capturing small and medium-sized objects. To get started, set up your workspace and plug the Artec into a computer and a power source. To turn on the scanner, press up on the switch until you see flashing lights. As you're scanning, keep an eye on your object through the Artec Studio software to make sure that all areas are scanned properly.
I like using a turntable, however you can use it without a turntable. It also depends on the object itself. A lot of times when I'm scanning, I kind of constantly adjust. And that's because obviously no item is completely the same distance away from the scanner unless it's a cup or something like that. So you are constantly having to adjust back and forth. So that's part of my job, kind of figuring out workarounds and how I can use the technology and figure out how to scan something or just develop it further.
Depending on the size of your object and skill level, scanning can take anywhere from 10 to 40 minutes. USF students have free access to the lab and can receive help if needed.
It's very user-friendly. It just kind of takes a little bit to get used to. Not a lot of people are used to manipulating 3D data, and I think that's the most challenging part. But that's sort of the pro of having someone here who actually knows and can help you and sort of teach you the tricks that maybe aren't in a manual or online.
Once you're finished scanning, press down on the switch to turn it off. After that, you can now view your finished 3D image.
We definitely think that 3D is the future of images. The reaches that it can have are just now being shown. We do need creative thinkers in this field, and this really does help for a bunch of different disciplines. Just email us and we'll set up a time to come in all day if you want. It doesn't matter. That's what we're here for.